Elias is putting the tent stakes in. He's pitching the tent while the boys relax.
At different stages, I've seen more.
Oh, we got a bigger rack now.
Yeah.
But now, it's like this.
Good
job, Nathan.
There's my husband. I think he might be done, hon.
Yeah. Oh.
Hi, buddy.
His pants are falling off.
I was going to make a coffee, I better get a baseball right inside of my head.
What do you think? Where's the ice?
What are you doing? Oh, balance. Ooh, good job. Yeah, I did.
In the 1 gallon?
Yeah.
They put it in some smaller containers.
Did you bring Dr. Bronner's by chance?
No, but I have that other stuff.
Oh, okay, good.
Sounds like birds. We gotta see if they left some firewood or something.
Hey, Chi-Chi. Not in your mouth. Not in your mouth! Yucky! Oh! I love it. I wish I would have come here for like a week. Hey, stop.
Sorry.
I would have liked to have been here for a week.
Oh, so fish.
Yeah, I wish there was fish actually. No?
Yeah, fish out.
So what are you gonna do?
Whatever we want.
Maybe I donate because I did it in the panda store.
Oh, you did? Tell us about it.
Huh?
Tell us about what you did at the panda store.
Don't. Let's do
Yes? Is that Hyung? Ji-hoon Hyung? Gary. Chang-young, say hi. Turn around, Chang-young, this way, other way.
Huh? This way.
Let me see Ji-hoon. Where are you?
Here.
What are you doing?
Me? I don't know.
Chang-young, let me see you. Say hi. Why? We're gonna send this to your parents. We're in Sawmill Lake in Tahoe. Wow, look at the tree. Elias, mancha up your head. Wow. Is that a tree?
Yep.
Woo!
And the wind's gonna make it cold now.
Get in.
Oh, let's go. Are you cold now, Jung-young?
No, not now.
What was that? There's Paul going for a swim. Here's our canoe for the island we are on. This is our little island. Okay, Ji-hoon, you want to go in the water? Ji-hoon, you want to go in the water? Yeah, you can go with Paul. Here, let me take Elias. Okay, go in, Ji-hoon. Your turn. Go in.
Is it deep? Huh? Is it deep?
Very deep.
Oh, go together, please. Tachi? Tachi-core.
Tachi-core. Okay, go. All three. If you go in the water, it's fine. It's better in the water. Oh, chua. Go. 1, 2.
No. 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No. Okay, 10.
1, 2, 3, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go!
Oh, you see the corner. He's standing up.
Hey, look, Paul's standing. Go to that stem.
No, he's
There's all the trees in the... Whoa.
Oh.
Careful. Whoa. Elias, give Nathan a hug. Hug it, Joe. Go give Nathan a hug. Go hug.
You can quit your job and work on the
Hug.
floor at REI in Sarasota, Kim.
Hug it, Joe, buddy. Hug it, Joe. What are you doing? Go get him, Elias. You have to give him a hug. Go give him a hug. Okay, give Nathan a pop-up. Go give Nathan a pop-up. Elias. What are you guys doing? Huh? Really? Elias, can you put your arm around Nathan? Give Nathan a hug. Huh? Why? Or can you give him a high five?
Good boy.
Are you holding his hand, Elias?
Good boy, Elias.
Hold Nathan's hand and bring him. Lua.
Good boy, yeah.
He like yanks him and goes. Come on.
Good boy, Elias. This way, Elias. This way. Up, Nathan. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up.
Good job, Elias. Nice job. With a big stick.
Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down.
There's no mosquitoes, though. Okay?
Is that his hat? Is that
That
Moja?
actually looks good on you. Yeah, that looks cute.
Yeah, that does. It's like a top hat.
Hyung, Changyong, he's gonna put on your head. How about Nathan? Oh, where's Elias? There you are, peekaboo. There he is.
Oh, you put it on
for
Nathan.
Nathan?
Oh,
Oh, so
where's
gentle.
Nathan? Where's Nathan? Where's Nathan? Where's Nathan? There he is. There he is. Oh, where's Nathan? Where's Nathan? There he is. Where's Nathan? Where's Nathan?
Have you thought that this is not the right time with Kim in the job situation, but
Elias, 물만 장장하지 마. Elias, no. Honey, don't let him play in the water, please.
No more. No. Not now. Not now. There. Oh my goodness.
Ooh, yum. Sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, brownies.
What a great dinner spot, huh? Look at Elias and Appa having dinner. Ah. How cool is that?
You got a very nice table with a view.
Yeah. Amazing view.
Yeah, that's like the best
Let's
table
see.
in the house. Go to many restaurants with this kind of a view.
Looks like he's enjoying it too.
Oh, look at that face. Are you kidding me?
Happy.
Are you a happy baby? Let me see, baby.
Elias.
Elias, say hi, Emma. That's kind of spicy, too.
He's got you, Nathan. He's got you.